Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler 2018 to 2023 with our 12.3-inch LCD digital cluster. This is a high-quality third-party, aftermarket upgrade unit. It supports wireless CarPlay, practical split-screen display, rich personalized UI themes for free switching, powered by mature Linux OS. This digital speedometer delivers extremely smooth and responsive operation, bringing a full modern visual upgrade to your original car interior. Featuring plug-and-play installation and seamless car data interconnection, the whole system runs stable, without lag or crash during daily driving. Reliable aftermarket modification accessories with strict quality testing. We provide professional 1-year after-sales warranty for a worry-free upgrade experience. RoadNavi.